In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email subscription pop-up in Wix so you can grow your email list and stay connected with your visitors. First, log into your Wix account and open your site in the Wix Editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the menu on the left side. This is where you'll add the pop-up. Now, we're going to add what Wix calls a lightbox, which is simply a pop-up window. Click the Add button, then go to Interactive and choose Lightbox. You'll see different pop-up designs you can use. Pick one that matches your website style so it feels natural and on brand. After adding the lightbox, it will appear on your page and you can start customizing it. You can change the text, add a title, edit the layout, and adjust the background so it fits your website's look and message. This is what visitors will see, so make it friendly and inviting. Next, you'll want to add the actual subscription form. Go back to Add, then choose Contact and Forms and select the subscribe form. Drag it into your pop-up and place it where it looks best. You can edit the fields to collect just an email address or include names as well. That part is totally up to you. Once everything looks good, check the settings so the pop-up appears when visitors arrive on your site or after a short delay. Then save and publish your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an email subscription pop-up in Wix. This simple tool can really help you build your audience and stay in touch with your visitors.